This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Gustafson. Pride of ownership shows throughout this lovely home. The floor plan is open and perfect for entertaining. Beautiful wood and ceramic flooring, updated kitchen with granite and stainless steel appliances. The home is located on a large corner lot. Backyard is fenced. Newer upgrades and a new architectural roof. Great curb appeal and conveniently located near shopping and restaurants. For more information, review the details below.